DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying and mapping. They use advanced technologies such as Global Positioning System, DGPS, to accurately determine the positions of points on the Earth's surface. In Gurgaon, a rapidly developing city in India, the demand for DGP surveyors has been on the rise due to the extensive construction and infrastructure projects taking place. These surveyors are highly skilled in using DGPS equipment to collect precise data, which is then used by architects, engineers, and urban planners to create accurate maps and plans. One of the key benefits of hiring DGP surveyors in Gurgaon is their ability to provide accurate and reliable measurements. With the help of DGPS technology, these surveyors can determine the exact coordinates of a point with a high level of precision. This is especially important in a city like Gurgaon, where there is extensive construction and development happening. Accurate measurements are essential for ensuring that buildings and infrastructure are constructed in the right location and alignment. It also helps in avoiding any encroachments or disputes related to land boundaries. Another advantage of hiring DGP surveyors in Gurgaon is their expertise in conducting surveys for various purposes. Whether it is topographic surveys, boundary surveys, or construction staking, these surveyors have the knowledge and experience to handle different types of surveys efficiently. They are well versed in using the latest DGPS equipment and software to collect and process data, ensuring that the results are accurate and reliable. This expertise is crucial for ensuring that construction projects in Gurgaon are carried out smoothly and according to plan. When it comes to SCON design, DGP surveyors in Gurgaon also play a vital role. SCON stands for Site Conceptualization and Overall Network Design, which involves planning and designing the layout of a site or network. The construction and upkeep of the city's roadways are greatly aided by road surveyors in Gurgaon. Since Gurgaon is a rapidly expanding metropolitan area, it is necessary to conduct periodical surveys to evaluate the state of the current roadways and make plans for brand new road constructions. Data collection on traffic patterns, road conditions, and other pertinent information is the responsibility of road surveyors. To collect and evaluate the data, they employ a variety of tools and procedures, including DGPS devices, laser scanners, and surveying equipment. Following that, this information is used to develop and plan road improvements, such as lane widening, road resurfacing, or the construction of new road networks. In Gurgaon, road surveyors' duties go beyond merely gathering data. In addition, they are essential in the planning of the city's road and transportation networks. Road surveying includes an important component known as SCON design, or survey control design. Setting of control points or benchmarks on the ground that serve as a starting point for upcoming